Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today we'll be talking about Akash network and conduct an AI-based forecast update to the forecast as well as looking at logarithmic regression bands for Akash, looking at its overvalued or undervalued status. Before that, we'll look at the top indicators related to crypto market over the last 24 hours. One of the most bullish narratives. This is our machine learning based model looks at crypto news over the internet and classifies them if it's bullish, bearish, or neutral. Bullish is green, neutral is yellow, and red is bearish. So, over the last 24 hours, the bullish narrative being Jack Dorsey issuing one of the most bullish forecast yet says that price might hit $1 million for BTC by 2030. This is a bullish news. Another article related to the same narrative and then one bearish narrative related to again related to BTC, that is ordinals and rules being the key to raise miner subsidy, that is considered bearish by the algorithm. So this is the 50,000 feet view of the entire market and what happens in terms of news related to crypto. You can check that out, each of the narratives using the link on the bottom of your screen. This is freely available for all. In terms of the crypto composite risk, which this is our PeakValley composite risk dashboard for the entire market, looks at the top 100 cryptos by the market cap, looks at their volatility, alpha, beta, risk adjusted returns at any point and percent drawdown to provide one single metric to let the analyze the market at a very high level, whether it's overvalued, undervalued, whether we are closer to a peak like we were in May or October, November 2021, or closer to a valley which is kind of a very low risk environment with high risk reward. This is a high risk environment with low risk reward. So the key idea is when the color codes are red or orange based on your own risk level, DCAing out of the market, and when the color codes are dark blue or dark green, DCAing in the market per your own risk analysis, risk level and risk appetite. So currently the risks over the last certain key periods, you can see or since March of 2024, middle of March of 2024, the risks are going down from 0.38 almost to about 0.25 risk level. So if the color if the risks were to go down to this 0 0.2 level, and this model gets updated every 24 hours. Today, that on May 10th, we it's a look back of what happened till yesterday, and if this risk levels were to fall down to 0 0.2 level, that's when the color codes will shift from yellow to green. And historically speaking, DCAing in green territory or blue territory has been beneficial. Yellow is a neutral territory for someone who with a higher risk appetite. Yellow might be a color where entering the market is fruitful, whereas someone with a conservative approach to crypto, yellow also might be a good time to enter exit out of the market. So this again considers all the top 100 cryptos, their price action, and some of the key. And you can look at this description to check what goes in and what is rewarded and what is punished in this overall risk dashboard that we have. This again is available on the channel. Looking at the indicators related to individual crypto at a time, normalized between 0 and 1. Uh, Bitcoin's risk at this point in time is less than zero point 0.4, ETH slightly above zero point 0.5, BNB well above zero point 0.7. This looks at price action since November 2017, and this is for the cryptos. The analysis is for the cryptos which were active back in 2017. So you can check it out. The higher the score on this uh, gauge chart, relatively speaking, that means the risk reward is not favoring that particular crypto. The lower the score, the better for the crypto. So again, you can see the most of the indicators are saying at this point in time, Bitcoin has the best risk reward, one of the best, if not the best, risk reward at this point in time. And then looking at the 7 days popular narratives scraped by our AI algorithm trained on YouTube and X related content generated to related to crypto. This is a 7 day worth of popular narratives on the word cloud. The popular narratives again, Bitcoin and crypto are the most popular ones. Looking at the bullishness has come back, the bearishness has gone down. At one point over the last week, these were at of the same size. Um, Today, most of the newer narratives related to real world assets are getting heated up. Trading is coming back. Some of the individual cryptos such as Ether, Cardano, Polkadot are featuring, or even Chainlink you can see over here. Uh, and then some of the narratives such as wider crypto narratives such as you can see real world assets as well as uh, over here. Data related cryptos such as the crypto that we are going to talk, Akash, which is a cloud computing related to crypto. So you can check that out. This also gets updated every single day. In terms of the heat map, the indicators, this is overall 24 hours worth of performance. Top performers are again Arweave. Then over the 7 days, render has been crushing it, and over the last 30 days, Arviv is the top performer. And again, over the last 90 days, it's the same story. Also provides the crypto of the day. Uh, and in terms of the portfolio builder, in terms of mid cap optimal portfolio builder, uh, one of the allocations by our model which looks at performance of the crypto since 2021 ended. Uh, Akash and its token AKT is I think number 7th or 8th on this mid cap optimal portfolio allocator, and you can see that our allocator has uh, prescribed a 5.74% allocation in a mid cap crypto. So this is again highlights the performance or uh, appreciates the performance of cryptos which have had a better run since the bear market began, that is in December of 2021. So now we'll go to the AI based forecast for Akash. Akash is one of the top 100 cryptos by market cap, the 65th crypto by market cap, and in terms of volume, 33rd crypto. We'll briefly look at the price versus market cap analysis. Over the last 1 year, this is coin market cap, the price grew from 23 cents to $5.8. So that is almost a little over 21 to 21x move over the last 1 year. So growth by 21x. But in terms of market cap, you can see the market cap grew by about between what was $28 million or 27 $28 million to now, which is 1.38 billion dollars. So in terms of market cap growth, 50x growth. In terms of price growth, 21x growth. So price is not keeping up with the market cap. So that means that if you are not staking, the market cap growth, although is phenomenal, uh, your price growth is not at the same rate at which the market cap is growing. So just wanted to highlight that there are almost 60% tokens are now in circulation. This particular crypto does have a max supply, so that means that the impact of inflation, token inflation going forward would not be as much as it was in the past. So you can see that if you toggle this to the growth of more than a year. Currently, this is not available. You can see that the impact of inflation going forward should be minimal compared to historical impact of its inflation. So just wanted to bring that up. And again, this is not financial advice. So in terms of the forecast graph which we had trained this AI model on Akash's price action in middle of March of 2024, almost 2 months ago. This looks at the weekly price action color coded in white. The bull case forecasted by our model is green, the bear case is in yellow to red, and the base case is in orange. Right now we are in May, second week of May, May 12th. Our model had forecasted a theoretical ceiling for Akash at around $16 uh, to uh, to about $35 till middle of August. The price you can see it's at around $5.77. So it is still slightly below what our base case forecast for Akash was at this point in time. When we had trained the model, the price was at around similar level at around $5.47. So not much has changed since that. Although the price did go up in terms of, you can see over here, at one point in time it did reach $6, but again corrected back to this $4 $5 territory. So now that we are in middle of May and targeting till August, the model has the following forecast. If the base case were to be if the price were to rally to this base case, the price action could see between $7.18 to about $9. So the bull case is slightly out of reach at this point in time, because the price action is below the base case. So first, rallying up to the base case might be a challenge, and then the second challenge, holding this base case, which is a growing price action forecast. And then if the rally goes beyond that, then we can discuss about the bull case. But for now, the key cases to discuss is, or the key area to discuss, is the area between the base case and the bear case. So if there is a wider pullback in crypto, per our AI model, Akash's price could be between $2.50 to about $3.30. So that's the bear case, and the base case, or the theoretical bull case at this point in time, is between $7 and $8.80, and the bear case is between $2.40 and $3.30. So this is the AI based forecast that we have created using ARIMA, LSTM, and XGBoost machine learning algorithm. In terms of if Akash is overvalued or undervalued, we'll first look at the regression bands, or the heat band for Akash. This is our polynomial regression function wrapped around Akash's price action at a weekly level. In this case, and this considers the base function is the fair value band in pink. I'll get rid of the other band so that you can clearly see. This is the base function. You can see the price of Akash has moved so far in a sine wave kind of fashion, where there is a peak and then again a trough and then back to the peak. So currently the fair value of Akash is at around $5.60, whereas the price action is slightly above it at around $5.70. So this is something that we had trained today, and now we'll go to one standard deviation residuals to the upside and one standard deviation residuals to the downside. And if you check historically speaking, this covers about 70% of the price action. So this is again one standard deviation confidence interval, and those peaks at this point in time is at around $7.60. So kind of in line with the base case forecast of our AI model, agreeing with the one standard deviation peak on the regression band, and the bear case with one standard deviation pullback is at around $4.15, slightly higher than our bear case. But if we wrap around another bands, which are the upper band 2 and the lower band 2, which are the two standard deviation residuals, to take care about 95% of the price action is inside these bands. So, and those levels at this point in time, to the upside at around $10 and to the downside is at around $3. So that should be at this time providing some sort of support for if there were a pullback, and a resistance if there were a rally. So those levels to watch are at $7.60 level and $10.30 level to the upside, and $4.15 level to the downside, and $3 levels to the downside. subsequently. So this is again a risk band approach. Per this band, Akash right now is not overvalued or undervalued. It's trending really close to its fair value. So with this, I would like to conclude the video today. Hope you like this content. All of the content on this website is available to you to check it out. If and also you can keep updated by subscribing to the channel. Also give this video a like so that you uh, are updated with the AI based forecast and every single daily updates related to what is happening in the crypto market using our machine learning as well as statistical indicators. So hope you like this approach and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.